In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add phone number field in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a phone field in your form, customize it to match your needs, and quickly test that it works the way your users expect. First, open your form. Head to jotform.com in your browser, sign in, and go to the My Forms page. Find the form you want to work on and open it in the builder by choosing Edit Form. This takes you into the drag and drop editor where you'll make all your changes. Next, add the phone number field. On the left side of the builder, you'll see the Form Elements panel. Under the Basic tab, locate the option called Phone. Click and drag it into your form and drop it exactly where you want it to appear. You can always move it up or down later if you want to adjust its position. Now configure the phone field so it collects clean, consistent data. Click the phone field in your form, then click the gear icon to open Properties. In the field label, rename it to something clear like phone number so users know exactly what to provide. If you need the phone number for follow-up, toggle Required on so the form can't be submitted without it. Consider enabling an input mask to guide formatting, for example, parentheses and hyphens for a standard format like anta. If you collect numbers from multiple countries, turn on the country code option to display a dropdown. This helps users enter their full international number correctly. You can also add placeholder text to show an example, but keep it short and avoid anything that looks like a real phone number. Finally, set validation to ensure only numeric input is accepted, which reduces typos and keeps your database tidy. When your settings look good, preview and test. Click Preview Form in the top right to open a live view. Try entering a valid number and confirm it follows the formatting you set. If you enabled the country code, pick a country and verify the prefix appears correctly. If the field is required, try submitting without a number to confirm the form displays a helpful reminder. Test on both desktop and mobile to make sure the field is easy to use on small screens. That's it. You've added a phone number field, customized it for clarity and consistency, and verified it works. Save your changes, and you're ready to collect accurate phone numbers with confidence.